welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra. So today I'm going to show you how I decorated my dining room for Christmas. So it's totally different this year from last year's. Check out last year's, I'll have it at the end or up here or somewhere so you can see last year's dining room. Okay. So it's totally different, it's a lot of red, I think you guys are gonna love it. So I'm gonna show you around my dining room right now, give you a little tour, and I will explain where I got everything from too. So all right, let's get on to 2018 Christmas dining room. So here's my dining room this year. I love it. There's a lot of red, a lot of popping of red. That's what I was going with this year. So I'm gonna give you guys a close look so you can really get the feel of it. And I will tell you where everything, came from. All right, so this sled came from Michael's this year. That present, I did it. This wrapping paper was from Hobby Lobby last year. And these are all just like fake, gifts, wrapped gifts. And little cardinals and these trees. These trees are from the Target dollar spot. All right, and then I got berry balls. Those, I think I got those from Amazon. All right, so as you can see, my theme is cardinals. I never decorated with cardinals. This is my first year and I'm really enjoying them. I never decorated with cardinals before and I just had so much fun this year. All right, this wreath is from Hearth and Hand. And then I just put just the little cardinals in there. Okay, and then this tree is a pretty big tree and I like that it's sparse like that. So I just put the birds in there. I think this tree I got from Amazon too. So, and then I draped my curtains. I think my curtains look pretty like that. More dramatical, right? All right, and then I got this garland from Hearth and Hand. So this garland is from Hearth and Hand too. It matches with that wreath. Okay, so and then I just put it in my chandelier and I think it looks so pretty. And then I put some cardinals, which I think came out really cute. So, and then I put another garland on the table. That is from Hearth and Hand too. And then that's what I did. And then I put some candles. Those candles are all from Threshold. And then I just added some of those balls, which I think is really cute. And then the first time, I never did this, I added red candles, which I just loved. I thought I wasn't gonna like it, but I did. Okay. And then I just added these two trees. They were kind of sparse too. And put some cardinals on there. So I love how that looks. All right, so then I put a white tablecloth. And right here, I'm gonna show you my place setting right now, which I am in love. Okay, so this placemat is, I think, Threshold from Target. This is an enamel. I think this is from Hobby Lobby. And these plates I got this year, these plaid plates, those are from Home Goods. And very inexpensive, like 4 plates for $9.99. I just love them. And then this plate is from Hearth and Hand. I thought it looked pretty with this placemat. So yeah, I could have went like this. That one looks pretty too. I don't even need to put this plate, but I don't know. It just matched with this and it brought it out more, I thought. All right, and these napkins are from Threshold. And then these napkin rings are from Hearth and Hand. All right. These glasses, I always use them, you know them. If you watch my videos, these glasses are from Pioneer Woman from Walmart. And then I didn't put the names yet. So these are the place card holders. These are from Target dollar spot. I don't know, 2 years, 3 years ago, guys. I know they had them this year, but I got them a long time ago. So yeah, so that's what I got for my dining room. I think it came out really pretty. I love all the pop of red. And I like that I used the black and white with the red. So I'm loving it, guys. Okay, like I said, this is my first year decorating with cardinals. I never decorated with cardinals before. So I had a lot of fun. I hope I inspired you guys. Maybe you can decorate if you have some cardinals, or you can take them out and decorate with them. So yeah, I never decorated with them before, but I'm telling you, I had so much fun doing this dining room. So, and I just love how all the red just pops out. You can see it in the back, yeah. So I'm really having fun. I really enjoyed this. Okay, and let me know down below if you decorate your dining room, and if you ever decorated with cardinals, and if you like decorating with cardinals, or if you are gonna decorate with cardinals now. All right, okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my 2018 dining room. I hope I gave you some tips. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I gave you guys a little inspiration. So yeah, so that's my 2018. And stay tuned for my home house tour. That's coming up soon. I'm trying to get everything edited. So I hope you are having a beautiful holiday season, a beautiful Merry Christmas. I will see you in my next video. And I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye! Merry Christmas!